Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover deleted Facebook messages on Android or how to restore deleted Facebook messages on Android. The first thing you're going to need to do is go into Play Store and you're going to download the Warm Recovery app, as you can see right here. By the way, by downloading this app, whenever you delete a message from Facebook or whichever app that you grant access to, you will be able to recover and restore it. So you'll tap on Open. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top left hand corner. Then select Manage. And from here, you'll tap on Facebook. Let me tap on Facebook. So now whenever you delete a message or photo or video from Facebook, it will be stored on the Warm app and you can go in it and recover it and restore it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.